say that the Trinamool Congress has a fetish for actors. Their track record may not have been exactly great because many of them had to be dropped this time round. But choosing a 31-year-old actor, Shayani Ghosh, the Trinamool Congress wants to show that they want age on the side. They want more and more firebrand or voices inside the Lok Sabha. People tend to be cynical about actors, but you're saying it's going to be Khala hobby. 31-year-old, young to enter politics, an actor transition to politics. How easy has it been? And what do you do about the cynicism?
It has definitely not been easy, but then when you're in a party called the Trinamool Congress, which is woman-led, which is led by Mamata Banerjee, who's perhaps the only woman chief minister, then it is comparatively easy. You know, and you can see all the love that I get from the people around. And I think people recognize me more as a politician and the youth president of Bengal more than an actor right now.
But you know, the BJP says that the Trinamool Congress is anti-women. They keep on raising the Sandesh Khali card and so many issues.
Who says BJP?
The BJP, yeah.
No,
what is your response to that?
Nobody listens to them in Bengal. Trust me on that. And BJP, coming from BJP, it's a bit rich, you know. Like BJP, who is responsible for Manipur, BJP, who is responsible for Hathras, for Unnao. Coming from them, women's safety, women's security, protection of women, it's a bit rich, I must say.
And you have also been mired in a little bit of a controversy in the past. Have you forgotten that? Would you want to say something about that? Do you think the BJP might rake that?
2015, back in 2015, I was like 1,000 miles away from politics. It doesn't matter. They have not been able to scoop up something new for me in the past 3 years of being an active politician. And I told you, like, whatever the BJP says, it really doesn't matter because this is the land of Ma Mati Manush, this is the land of Ma Durga, Ma Kali, and definitely the land of Mamata Banerjee.
Two quick questions. You also played a journalist, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Now tell me. Because,
Yes, I have. I've been an actor, so I've also been an MC, I've been a sports anchor. I've done quite a lot of things, you know, so that's quite good.
What is it that you want to do for Jadavpur? And when you go to Delhi, if you go to Delhi, how will you take Jadavpur?
Bengal has always been deprived of its rightful dues. So we need to increase the bench strength in the first place. We need good speakers. And like you can see, like 142 opposition leaders being suspended in the parliament. People have not seen that in India. So I think we need strong leaders who can come up and voice up the opinion of the people of Bengal. And Jadavpur is like, it's wonderful, it's flamboyant. At the same time, it has got a little bit of rural to it, it has got city, it has got everything, all the flavors put together, so many needs and requirements. I'll definitely look into this.
And you know, Nusrat Jahan and then also Mimi unfortunately were remembered more for the selfies and you know, they were never seen as serious politicians. Do you think you faced that challenge?
To each their own. I think people love me and I'm not the one to take the selfies, it's their love and I want to work for them. I'm here with a purpose, not to faff around.